All right, today we're at Buggies on the Beach 6, and somebody's going to win this Meyers Manx today. All right, we're here with Michael Shores, one of the original Buggy brothers. They are the ones that put this whole show on, what, the 6th year in a row, right?
Buggies on the Beach 6, yes sir.
All right, so, and this here is the grand prize. Somebody's gonna take this home today.
Someone's gonna get this car today. This is a new classic Manx. Everything is new on it.
It's beautiful, and it's going to benefit the Humane Society?
Yeah, we basically raise money for the local no-kill animal shelter, Nassau Humane Society. So this car alone will raise $13,000.
That's a nice chunk.
That's a nice chunk. It's twice what we usually do.
That's good, that's good.
Yeah, it really is.
So you guys put this all together and built it yourselves?
Yep, me and the other original Dune Buggy brother built this whole car from the ground up. It's full disc brakes, vintage speed gear shifter, brand new motor, brand new transmission, interior is all new, sombrero top, just like a Meyers Manx is supposed to be.
I walked up being a dummy and I said, man, that's some insane paint.
Because I know that thinks it's paint. That is not paint. That is gel coat.
Gel coat, which makes it a lot easier because knocking down clear to cover that sparkle is not an easy task.
No, it is not.
So, all right.
Someone's going to be a lucky winner today around 3 o'clock.
We will be here. See you then. Carlos.
What's up, man?
What's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
I don't know how to do this anymore.
I know, right? It's a bug or the feet or something like that.
Right.
They don't be hack some shit. Yeah.
Okay. Carlos, how are you?
Hey!
We're social distancing, kinda.
Kind of, but it's hard in the Volkswagen life.
I saw this bug last night and I talked to you a little bit. So tell me about the paint.
The paint, well, I got the car, it was red primer and black fenders. It was a show 2 years ago. So the next morning I woke up, I'm like, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna coach you, this and that. So the ugliest thing was the paint. So I got an Orbit sand and I went sand crazy on the car. And this is what it is today.
I just love how, I mean, you can see all the colors through the years, but you got the rust in the metal.
I took out some rust because I like him dirty.
No,
I'm a dirty guy.
It looks good. So tell me about the name of the car.
Well, everybody that came over my house to help me work in the car, do anything on the car, were like, ese bicho está feo. That means in Spanish, that bug is ugly. And Puerto Rico means something else, but for us Cubans, it's a bug and any type of insect. So it stayed el bicho. Just everything in this car just came out naturally from everything.
So, I love the surfboards.
Thank you, man.
I love the
everything has a story in my car. I can sit here and tell you everything, and we'll be here all day with a story about it.
I know, that's the thing about it. Like, this is kind of a rat rod kind of a car, and you can just look at them and just find something new every time.
Yes.
Our other guy, Ryan, with our channel, His bus, every time I look at it, something new. And I've looked at it for years now, so.
And whatever you do to it, doesn't matter how ugly, how good it looks, it always looks cool in the car.
Yep, yep.
That's the good thing about
the
these
mirrors
cars.
are a nice touch.
The mirrors
too.
that were given to me by a friend, they were in one of my buses. I take everything that I fall in love with a car. If I sell it, I take it off. My mirrors came out of my bus that I had. Stickers been in all the cars and they're back on this car. I just get attached to things, you know, like sometimes it's hard to let go. This one I would never let go. I've gone out for money or, but there's not another one like this out there.
Let's take a look at the back.
Let's check it out.
Okay, so just your normal stuff going on back here, just
Yeah, it's pretty normal. It's a 1600. Just got the 44 peak, the 2-in-1 carburetor. I had the dual carbs on it, but it's always a mission to have two separate people working at the same time, trying to get together. So I went 2-in-1. This is my third motor on him. It's my daily driver. I came all the way from Miami. Everybody told me, you're crazy, you're crazy.
You drove it?
I drove it. I drove it. I drive this every day. It's my daily driver, guys.
Drive it every day?
Every day. Work, play, date.
See, I drive it every day if it had AC, but.
You don't need AC. When you bring in a smile to everybody, that's your AC, man. When we're driving our cars outside, out on the road every day, we're bringing a smile to everybody, especially now how things are in days that everybody's worried and sad. When we're driving our cars, when we're doing this, we bring so much happiness to other people, not only us.
That's why we do it.
That's why we do it, man. It's a passion. So I feel proud that I could drive this car every day. I'll take the heat any day, but I like to see those smiles on everybody. And look at it, hey, look at that thing.
It's one of a kind, Carlos. I appreciate it,
Hey, thank you. I appreciate it, man.
Have fun.
Awesome. Thank you always, man.
We're here with Buddy Brooks from Hilltop Motors, and I was driving by and saw this thing, and it kind of stands out a little bit. Tell me about it. What year is this thing?
It's a 71 Volkswagen Squareback. Interior's been lowered 2 inches. Roof's been cut 6 inches. It's got a 1641 twin turbo. Fattened the back fenders so I could fit big, fat, nappy tires under the back. It runs really good. Right now, it's just a 1641, but it is going to be a bigger motor. This was just a motor that we put together just to see how everything fit. Other than that, that's pretty much it.
Ran it down the track yet?
No, not yet. That's for the bigger motor. When I get the bigger motor, it'll be yanking the wheels off the ground.
Just kind of getting comfortable with the little motor.
Yeah.
And you step it up.
Yep.
Well, it's a good looking car.
Well, thank you. I built it in 6 months. We just did a paint job on it and left a patina because it earned it. I rescued this car out of a field and did everything myself. Never done it before and just decided to do it.
Looks good.
Thank you.
All right, we got a winner. Yeah! Paul, right?
Yeah, Paul.
How'd that work out? I mean, were you expecting to be a winner, or?
Thursday it was in my driveway, and I detailed it, and I was talking to it, telling it You were gonna be mine. You're gonna be mine. I give it all the love.
Dude, detailing his own car. So he detailed the car for the show. And yeah, he knew he was cleaning his own car, apparently.
I bet you probably got, if you were here, had a little problem with the raffle, the drawing. They had to redo everything and make up slips to draw out of a pot like old school instead of using these fancy computers.
No
And,
kidding.
yeah.
I wasn't here for that, but
Yeah, so we went to do the raffle online and nothing worked. So we literally had to go home, print out 127 pieces of paper, and then cut them on a little cutting board, and bring them here and do the raffle like old school.
no kidding. Wow.
Congratulations,
Good.
man.
Thank you.
I just want to say that Dune Buggy brother Paul is actually in our car club mate. You know, he lives on Amelia Island, and yeah.
That one's mine right there.
All right. Next year I'm winning.
All right. Next year we're gonna do an oval.
Ah!
There we go.